Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here. This is the mystery box reveal. It should be long gone by now. In this video I shot before everything went into the box. We're going to start with some of the stuff. We're going to continue. So So this is just the beginning of it. We're going to get to the main deals at the end. So here we go. Starting out, Orange Bullet. Estes Orange Bullet rocket. Lil Joe 1. The Antar Signature Series, and I want to say that the Orange Bullet is also a Signature Series. Quest Big Betty, Pipsqueak. Gonna come down here real quick. We got an Estes puzzle with a free poster, includes a 500-piece puzzle. 3 stickers here. Estes got the NASA meatball and these 2 Estes stickers here. We got Micromax, little UFO rocket, and this other little rocket that comes with it. A Quest Gnome. This is part of the bulk pack, so these are they're out there, but you can find them once in a while. And then we have the premiere issue of Launch Magazine with the Little Joe 2 on the cover. And there's a Lee Peaster there, and there's Vern Estes there, and Gleda. And then you have another issue of it, which is from February 2008. So these are just some of the items. Let's move to the next group. As we continue, you're getting the Saturn V limited edition Skylab. It's in this mystery box. Also, Master Series. The Master Series Mercury Atlas is in this mystery box, and you are getting a Cosmodrome, which is a Series mid-power rocket. The Black Brant 2 by Cosmodrome. It's a big boy. Flies on F motors. F, G, and H. You can actually do certification on this rocket. It's 50 inches in length, 50.8 inches in length. 2.63 diameter. It is a 1/6 scale, large and in charge. So this is the mystery box that somebody got. I'm saying you're getting, but it's long gone by now. So hopefully someone is enjoying all this. Just to show you, the other stuff is right here. So you get this whole mystery box all on the Model Rocks 321 website. These rockets here, this, all this was included in that mystery box. All that right there. Serious, especially this. This is probably the cost of the whole price of the mystery box itself. So with all those additional goodies, someone's day is great. And they also got Skylab and just cool stuff. So my Rocks 321, hopefully whoever got it, enjoy it. Drop a comment to whoever got it. Let me know what you think. May have to do something else like this. Alright guys, 321 here. Stay blessed. Go ahead and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check back for stuff like this. I may do this again. We'll see. And also, Lil Joe 1 is one of my favorite rockets historically. Just a cool rock. I have a scratch built version, and these came out by Estes a little while ago. So, and Mercury. Yep, Mercury capsule there. Mercury capsule on the Mercury Atlas. So, you get the idea. 321 here, guys, and we are out. Catch you on another video.